Cap 26 here, just do tips and Pearson hobbies, and today I'm going to show you how to clear history on your iPhone. And perfect example is if you go to Safari. There's Safari, and you click on this button right down here. Okay, double squares. That's your history right there. Okay, so just get out of that by hitting done. You go to settings. Okay, settings right there. You hit settings and you want to look for Safari. Okay, and it's way down there. There's Safari. It's backwards. Sorry about that, guys. And you click on Safari and you look for clear history. Okay, so let's go down here. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera right now. There's clear history. It's backwards. Hit clear history. Hit it once and you clear the history. You go back to Safari and it should look like this. Okay, with all your apps. All right, that's how you clear your history of what you searched on Safari or your internet browser. And you want to get rid of that because it's just a lot of clutter on your phone. So I hope this helps you. I hope you have a good day. I look forward to seeing you in the future. And please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. It'll help me. And take care.